right, let's get to the bottom of this. So what do we know? No. I'm not on the screen. Am I? There's me. Okay, hello. Am I visible? I need to be. Okay, great. Now I'm see-through. Perfect. Okay, so okay, let's run this let's pipe it to a file. Check out our log messages. Or yeah, let's check out our log messages. Oh wait, we gotta do two ampersand one. Right, gotta redirect the standard out to standard or standard error to standard out. Okay, I think we've hit the hang. Okay, so let's check out the file. Okay, memory orchestrator, record def URL. Okay, we're pointing at the repos. Okay, we should probably make that a memory source too, I realized. Okay, so ensure Tocky. Okay. I'm wondering if there's going to be a traceback in here somewhere that's not being handled gracefully. Okay, so we see a lot of dispatched operations just going for that repo lock, right? Because anything that needs repository locked. Because Git doesn't let us do things in parallel, and anytime we run a subprocess, it's going to run in parallel. And now it doesn't. It's not that it lets us do some things in parallel, some things not, right? So if you, for whatever reason, did not need the lock, you could redefine the definition, keep the same name, right, and then remove the lock parameter with the dot underscore replace on the definition. Now, we are wanting to solve this problem, so we're not going to just delete the lock, or we're not going to just not request locking. We need locking. Okay, processing. Get repo commit from date. Let's see. Okay, so here's the lock network, and here's the lock. This is the lines we're into. So acquiring, acquired, acquiring, acquired, acquiring, acquired, acquired, acquiring, acquired, 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 acquired. Let's go to the end. Scanning for tracebacks, not seeing any tracebacks, right? Because we're running things concurrently. Maybe there's some traceback way back here. Okay, so get repo release. We see a bunch of dispatches for that. Lines author by date. We see a bunch of dispatches for that. Okay. So what else can we look at here? So wc-l, grep, it's a temp, lock issue. All right, so let's check this out for acquiring and acquired. Okay, so 133 attempts to acquire the lock, 104 And I think this is the only locked object, but we can double check with this. These two, or wait a minute, that's another object. Get repo spec versus get repo checked out spec. Okay. Hmm. Okay, is this what's going on? So yeah, we're switching between this. Okay, acquiring the lock on the get repo spec and on the get repo checked out spec. Okay. So dispatch operation. Lines of code to comments. Okay, acquiring. Let's go look at the locking code. So, okay, if the definition has a lock parameter, right? So if the definition specifies this input must be locked, then we create locks for it. Okay. Then and this is our reason for 3.7 is that we need the async exit stack for this. 3.6 doesn't have it. Python, take all the locks we found we needed for this parameter set. Take the lock. Okay, so we acquire the locks. Okay. So our last message is what? Acquiring. It would be nice if we could say, hmm, so we want to acquire them for this operation. Okay. brain is shot right now for some reason. This should not be this difficult. Okay. Okay. So let's put an operation on it. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it. We're just hacking through it. We're just hacking through it. We're not worried about anything. Okay, we're just doing it. Okay, enter context. Okay, acquiring lock. Okay, so where's the lock? There's the lock. Okay. If okay, so okay, okay, okay. So if it has an operation set on it, then do that. Okay, so okay, so we basically just add this operation as a property. Okay, so acquiring this Git repo spec previously held by operation lines of code to comments. Okay, so previously held by. All right. Okay, so just making some variations on these log messages here. So okay, percent mass. Okay, so lines of code to comment is acquiring that lock, and it was previously held by lines of code to comments. Okay. My guess here is that there's some kind of weird bug in the run dispatch code, and it's being masked. So the common thing in Python is that you're um, that something is masking the error when you're doing things in concurrently or parallel. Okay, so it's not that because we didn't get a breakpoint. All right. Okay. So we would have gotten a breakpoint if this was a problem with the locking. Okay, so await, self.run. Hmm. What is async there? Await, self.run. Okay, motherfucker. Come on, come on, come on. previously held by. What just happened there? Fuck, what the fuck is going on?